Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel English Guru. Today you're going to learn a lot of interesting ways to say yes in English. But wait, why should you learn these expressions when you could just use yes to keep things simple? There are two good reasons. One is so that you can understand native English speakers, because we use these expressions all the time. If you only know the word yes, then you might be confused when you hear someone say, "Why not?" or "Be my guest." And another good reason to learn these is so that you can use them yourself to express your own answers in different and creative ways. Some of these expressions actually add additional meaning beyond a simple yes, so it's important to learn the context and types of situations where you can use them. And another good reason to learn these is so that you can use them yourself to express your own answers in different and creative ways. Some of these expressions actually add additional meaning beyond a simple yes, so it's important to learn the context and types of situations where you can use them. Let's get started with these many ways to say yes. Instead of showing you a big list of words, I'm going to show each one inside a little situation. Many ways to say yes in English. Do you have a dog? Yeah. Yup. Yep. These all simply mean yes, with no additional meaning. These are all pretty informal, so you should generally avoid them in more professional situations like job interviews. Have you bought the tickets? These sounds both mean yes. Sometimes people use these when they're distracted and not completely paying attention to the person asking the question. Are you going to the party? For sure, / you bet. These both express enthusiasm, like saying definitely yes. These are both more informal expressions. Are you interested in working with our company? Definitely. This is a more professional way to express an enthusiastic yes. Will you have this report done by Friday? Absolutely. Without a doubt. These express 100% certainty. You are guaranteeing that the answer is yes. Can you give me a ride? Sure. No problem. I'd be happy to. We can use sure to mean yes when responding to a request for a favor, like, "Can you give me a ride?" or in response to an offer, like, "Do you want some ice cream?" Sure. You can use it in both formal and informal situations, again, in reply to favors and offers. We don't use sure when replying to questions about facts, like, "Do you have a dog?" or "Are you married?" No problem and "I'd be happy to" are also common replies when you want to say yes to a favor. Can you put me in touch with the director of marketing? Of course, certainly. These are more formal and professional ways to agree to a request or favor. Want to join us for lunch? I'd love to. This is a way to give an enthusiastic yes specifically to an invitation. Someone invites you to a party, or to a meal, or to participate in an activity. I'd love to can be used in both formal and informal situations. Can I borrow your pen? Go ahead. Be my guest. These phrases are used to say yes when someone asks your permission to do something. For granting permission, we could also say sure. Should we order some pizza tonight? Why not? The expression why not means yes. More specifically, it means there's no good reason not to do this action. It's often used to reply to suggestions and ideas for future plans or possibilities. It's raining. Are you going to cancel the picnic this afternoon? I guess so. The phrase "I guess so" expresses a reluctant yes, when you are saying yes, but you don't really want to say yes, or you're somewhat sad about the yes. Now you know 20 different ways to say yes in English, in all sorts of different situations, formal and informal, replying to questions about facts, favors, and offers. To continue improving your spoken English and learning the phrases that native speakers use, come join my channel English Guru. You'll learn what to say when traveling, socializing, doing daily activities, and talking about all sorts of topics. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you later.